This is a global emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. This is emergency action notification, requested by the White House. This is the emergency alert system. This is 12 KDVB, severe in the Philadelphia area. If you're not in this local area, tune into radio station severe in the Philadelphia area. You are listening to the emergency alert system.
The following message is transmitted at the request from the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay close attention to this alert. As this global crisis is ongoing, it might be hard to compromise. There's reports in all countries that how people are turning into rat-like creatures, but they're very dangerous. They attack by hopping into men, grabs them with their claws and hailing them in the heart, ultimately killing them. An unknown disease has infected them. It is expected to spread to all the humans left in Earth in the next 4 hours. Gather all family and friends and pets. By the